Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to install Android TV on Windows 11. I'm just going to type Android Studio download. This is the one that you want to download. Download Android Studio and App Tools. So I'm going to click on the download. You want to scroll down, you want to make sure you check this box. Click download Android Studio. So it's about 943 megabytes. Okay, it's downloaded. So I'm going to click on the file. Click next. Next. Click next. Click install. Click next. I'm going to click finish. I'm going to leave this as default. Do not import settings. Click OK. I'll click don't send. Click next. I'm going to leave it as standard. Click next. I'll leave this as default. Click next. I'll click next. So here you want to click accept. So I'm going to select this one, Intel Android Extra License. Click accept. Click finish. I'll click finish here. So you want to select more options. There's a drop down tab. I'll click on that. And I'm going to click on SDK Manager. So I'm going to select the first three options. I'll click OK. I'll click OK again. So it's done installing. I'm going to click finish. I'm going to click back on more actions, click on the drop down tab, and I'm going to select Virtual Device Manager. So on the top left, I'm going to click create device. So here I want to choose TV, and I'm going to use the 1080p 55-inch TV with the highest resolution. I'm going to click next. I'm going to select this one, x86 images. I'll select the first option. So it's done. I'm going to click finish. I'll click next. So I'm going to leave this as default, the AVD name. So on the emulated performance, the graphics, it's set to automatic. There's a drop down tab. I'm going to select hardware. I'm going to click show advanced settings, and I'm going to scroll down here. So here it says boot option. There's cold, there's quick, or choose from snapshot. I'm going to select cold boot. I'm going to scroll down now. So in the RAM section, the memory section, I want to choose gigabyte because I have a lot of memory in this computer. So I'm going to type 8, and in the internal storage I'm going to choose gigabytes, and I'm going to make it 20 gigabytes of internal storage space. So I'm going to scroll down again. I'm going to uncheck this device frame. I'm going to leave this as TV 1080p, and I'll click finish. So this is it. This is the Android TV. It's 1080p. I'm going to click launch this AVD in the emulator. You're going to get this. Windows Defender Firewall has blocked some features of this app. You want to make sure you allowed access. I'm going to leave both checked. I'll click allow access. So when you get to this page, you want to click on add account, and you must have a Google account to use this. So I'm going to type in my Google account, click next. I'll enter the password. So this is Android TV. There's live, there's for you, there's search. So here are some tools on the right side. You have the volume up, volume down. You can take a screenshot. You can zoom. This is the backspace. You can go back. This is the home button, overview. This is the power button. There are 3 dots here. You click on that. There's more options here. Record and playback settings, snapshot, microphone. You can also browse all of these with your keyboard. So you can use the tab key, you can use the arrows on the keyboard. So if you want the screen to take up the entire computer screen, you can hide the taskbar. So that's how you install Android TV on Windows 11. You can also do this in Windows 10. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.